I had Guardian Roofing come out because I had a leak in one of the corners of my interior of my home. I'm very pleased. The Guardian was very punctual. Everything that they promised that they were going to do, they did very professionally. Like I said, I was very pleased with the work that they performed. The process of the job took about 3 or 4 days. And in those 3 or 4 days, like I said, they kept me informed. The technicians were highly skilled. They explained everything to me that was going to be done and how it was going to be done in a timely manner. Like I said, I would definitely highly recommend Guardian Roofing to my friends and family, and I have.